Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the soap I've been using. It's Tom's of Maine. You've probably heard of it or seen it before. I picked this up in like an all-natural grocery store by me. It's like they only sell things that don't have like fragrance and like additives and stuff like that. So my skin is actually very sensitive. I do have a mild form of eczema. Not crazy, but I'll get like breakouts here and there in like the cold or like summer, just extreme weather changes, stuff like that. So I was definitely looking for something all natural, and I had actually used Tom's toothpaste in the past, so I was like, oh, let me try their soap. Been around since 1970, so they're a pretty well-established brand. It's kind of nice because it's like you can cleanse your skin and brush your teeth without having to worry about harsh chemicals or anything like that, like some other brands. I purchased the travel size soap because I'm going away and it's just easier to pack that way. And I got like a couple of the travel size bars to just put in my bag because, you know, if you go to a hotel or like, I'm actually going on a cruise, but I don't know what kind of soap they're going to have. I don't know if it's going to irritate my skin. I'd rather just bring my own. It would just be easier, and then I don't have to stress or worry about my skin breaking out or having an allergic reaction or any type of reaction for that matter. So these are 0.9 ounce bars. I got the Beauty Bar Daily Moisture with olive oil and vitamin E. Very, very moisturizing to the skin. They do have other kinds I saw. One had like chamomile. What else did they have? They had like a coconut oil one that sounded good too. It sounded nice. Fragrance in it is like 100% all natural. It doesn't really have much of a scent at all. Like, it just smells a little bit floral, but like nothing crazy. I wouldn't say it's like great smelling, but it's not, it just doesn't really have a smell. It just has a very, very slight smell. It's clinically proven to maintain skin's moisture. Let's see. No animal testing or animal ingredients, so it's cruelty free. I think that's pretty awesome. I always try to buy products that don't test on animals. We share every ingredient, its purpose, and its source on their website at www.tomsofmaine.com. Sustainable practices are a priority in every aspect of our business. No artificial colors, flavors, fragrance, or preservatives. We strive to maximize recycled content and recyclability of our packaging. 5%, 12 days of employee time to volunteering, 10% of profits to human and environmental goodness. I think that's pretty awesome. In the back, barcode. Oh, here we go. Ingredients important. Rainforest Alliance certified palm oil. 100% recycled paperboard and printed with soy ink. I think that you could actually recycle this box, which is pretty cool. So ingredients, all natural stuff, sodium palmate, sodium cocarate or sodium palm kernelate, water, glycerin, natural fragrance, sodium gluconate, sodium chloride, fruit oil, seed oil, vitamin E, all natural stuff. So it comes like pre-packaged. Of course, again, this is like a smaller soap bar because I got the travel size, but you could get larger. It has a very, very smooth feel to it. It's really nice. I actually just used that, so I'll show you guys in the shower. Clear. Doesn't get you like a white lather or anything like that. Just rinsing it from my hands, but it doesn't have a greasy feel or anything like that. It's just really nice. It literally feels like if you put like maybe some on your skin, because it just feels nice and moisturized after you use it. I'll just follow up with like an all natural lotion or something like that. I actually use this instead of shaving cream to shave my legs because sometimes shaving cream can make you sensitive, and I just ran out, so this worked out fine. I used it with the Intuition razor, which has like natural moisturizers in the razor, so it doesn't cut you or anything like that, and it worked really, really nicely with it. Also, Tom's of Maine is made in Maine. So it's a made in USA product, so I think that's always nice. If you could support the USA or your country, you could always do that. So I mean, all naturally sourced, all natural products, no animal testing, just overall really great product. The olive oil and vitamin E one is great. I haven't tried the others, but like I said, the chamomile and the other coconut oil one, that sounds great, and that probably smells, it probably has a heavier smell because it has like the natural coconut in it, which always just smells delicious. I actually didn't buy it for the scent, so I'm definitely okay with the fact that it doesn't have too much of a fragrance. That's fine with me. Overall, really great. I definitely would recommend it, and I will definitely be purchasing and trying the other kinds of beauty bars that Tom's makes as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found it useful. Have a great day, guys.